Welcome to the 11th lesson of SmartKnitter. Knit Specification Level 3, focusing on knit specifications of knitted cuff for batwing styles as one panel. Batwing bodice is made with the half-panel method. Knitting the cuff directly with the bodice as one panel required setting up splits for setup courses. Right-click on the panel. Select Set Mirror Number of Splits for setup courses. Set to 2. Set the relevant dimension for the cuff first. Then add nodes to draw the shape of the batwing accordingly. Proceed to set the relevant dimensions for the rest of the garment and edit the knitting rules as usual. This marks the end of this class. Thank you for watching.